Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to guys. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can use switch window in WebDriverIO. Usually, what happens, guys? Might be facing a scenario where we have to switch the tab of the browser to do a testing in a different tab. How to do it? First, guys, let me create in a spec folder switchWindow.js, switchWindow file.js. I can copy anything. Let's say let me copy this one window file. Let me paste it here. So I'll write this one as switch window, and I'll write the block as a test case switch window. So first, let me add browser.url. Let me just navigate to, let's say, www.google.com. Now my testing starts in google.com. Now I want to navigate to a new browser. So whatever I want to perform the testing, I have to use another method for that. In between, we'll see just about browser.pause so that you'll understand what exactly is happening. So let us keep for 2 seconds. Okay. So I can copy the same thing. If I want to navigate to Amazon.com. Instead of browser.url, I have to write a new method called newWindow. Okay. This will navigate to a new window. I want to navigate it to Amazon.com. And I can do testing in this Amazon.com. Usually, that is what will happen. Now, I want to switch back to my Google.com. For that, guys, they can have a pause here also. And I can write await browser dot. Now, this is where our main function comes. Switch window. So, new window, switch window are the two alternate methods which we can use. So now in switch window method, we can use a URL match. It doesn't have to be entirely, we don't have to write the entire URL. We can just write google.com. Okay. It has to navigate to that, and we can have browser.pause, and then we can close the browser. Even though if we don't close the browser, it is totally fine. What I'll do here, I'll just rename this so that I can copy the name. I'll go to package.json. I'll just write it here. Instead of giving www.google.com, we can just write the https :/ to be more specific, :/ and I can use the same thing for Amazon.com also. Now let me run this. Now it is now starting the worker here. The browser has been now launched. So it should start google.com. Now it should create a new window .amazon.com, which is here. So it should navigate back to google.com. That's it. Now our test finished. You can see the result here. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.